In front of me is TCL 305i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security and biometrics. Then tap on face unlock and enter your current screen lock. Finally, hit start at the bottom. Keep your face in frame, follow all of those instructions and wait for 100% mark. When you finished, select Done. Then click on OK in Attention pop-up. Manage all of those options however you want to and go back. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!